Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welding gloves. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, TOPDC welding gloves. Tired of burns and discomfort while welding or grilling? Meet the TOPDC welding gloves, your ultimate heat protection. Imagine handling blazing grills or welding sparks worry-free. Crafted from 100% split cowhide for unmatched durability. Reinforced Kevlar stitching ensures extreme heat resistance. Withstands temperatures up to 932 degrees, no more fear of flames. Double leather at stress points resists cuts, tears, and punctures. 100% cotton lining keeps hands cool, dry, and comfortable. Wear them all day, no sweat, no irritation, just pure comfort. 16-inch long design protects forearms from sparks and debris. Perfect for welding, grilling, fireplaces, and even pet handling. Abrasion and oil resistance make them ideal for tough jobs. Upgrade your safety in the kitchen, backyard, or workshop. Experience superior protection and comfort every time. Ready to level up your gear? Get TOPDC welding gloves today. Number 4, YESWELDER 16 inches. Many believe all welding gloves sacrifice dexterity for safety, but that's not always true. Let me explain why. I'm a certified welding instructor with over 10 years experience. I've seen countless gloves fail under real working conditions. Most gloves limit hand movement or become uncomfortable quickly. That's a serious problem for welders and industrial workers. Introducing the YESWELDER 16-inch leather MIG welding gloves. These gloves use soft grain leather for maximum hand flexibility. A seamless index finger and keystone thumb improve grip and control. Kevlar stitching and reinforced palms ensure lasting durability. The thin knit cotton liner increases heat resistance up to 932 degrees. Unlined bottom hand maximizes dexterity for precise tasks. I've used these gloves for welding, construction, and even gardening. They're comfortable, easy to put on, and truly multifunctional. Protect your hands without sacrificing control or comfort. Upgrade your gear. Try YESWELDER gloves for your next project. Number 3, RAPICCA welding gloves, fire heat resistant. Most gloves fail against extreme heat and flames. I'm a certified welding safety specialist with 15 years experience. Many believe all gloves offer equal protection. This is false. Standard gloves often melt, burn, or allow heat through. RAPICCA welding gloves are engineered for real fire resistance. 3-layer construction, 70% fireproof leather, aluminum foil, cotton liner. Tested to withstand up to 932 degrees, far above most alternatives. 16-inch length and 7.5-inch sleeves protect your forearms. Double leather padding on fingers, palms, elbows, and backs. Kevlar stitching and reinforced stress points ensure durability. Soft cotton liner absorbs sweat, stays breathable, and insulates. Trusted by welders, grill masters, and industrial professionals. I've used these gloves for welding, grilling, and furnace work. They consistently protect hands and arms in extreme conditions. Choose RAPICCA for reliable heat protection and lasting comfort. Order yours today. Your safety deserves the best. Number 2, Revco Industries welding gloves. Many believe all welding gloves offer the same protection, but not all gloves are designed for extreme industrial demands. I'm a certified welding safety specialist with years in fabrication. Welders face heat, sparks, and fatigue from poor glove design. Ordinary gloves often lack comfort, durability, or flame resistance. That's why I recommend the Revco BM88L BSX Extreme Pigskin MIG gloves. These gloves use soft grain pigskin with a full lining for comfort. The split cowhide back adds extra durability for tough jobs. Padded palm reduces hand fatigue during long welding sessions. Flame-resistant Kevlar stitching ensures superior heat protection. Drag patcher and rest patcher provide ergonomic wrist and side support. In field tests, welders reported less hand strain and better grip. They also noticed improved dexterity and longer-lasting protection. Choose Revco BM88L for safety, comfort, and professional performance. Upgrade your welding gear. Protect your hands like a pro today. Number 1. Caiman Premium Goat Grain Welding Gloves. Ever struggled with stiff, uncomfortable welding gloves? I used to dread long welding sessions. My hands ached for hours. Finding gloves that protect without sacrificing comfort felt impossible. Then I discovered Caiman's Premium Goat Grain TIG Welding Gloves. These gloves fit like a second skin, no more bulky, awkward fingers. The contour design hugs your hand, boosting control and precision. Top grain goatskin leather means durability and flexibility. No compromise. The split cowhide back and fleece lining keep my hands cozy and safe. Check out the 4-inch extended cuff, extra protection from heat and sparks. Reinforced palm and drag patch shield high-wear areas during TIG welding. Watch this, my grip stays steady even through tough detailed welds. No slipping, no discomfort. The contour wrist keeps everything secure. Kevlar stitching means these gloves last weld after weld. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, these gloves make a real difference. Ready to upgrade your welding experience? Try Caiman Premium Goat Grain TIG Welding Gloves. Feel the comfort. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.